What's up, Addison? What's the matter? Oh, you got the hiccups? Say hiccup. Hiccup. Say hello to everyone. Look at those pretty blue eyes. Hiccup. 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 How'd life treat you today? What'd you do? Well, you slept? Okay. Oh, you ate? Oh. Oh. Say hi. So you get hiccups all the time, don't you, baby? In the womb, in the real world, everywhere. So, woo! So you excited to go to the ox roast for the first time? Hiccup if you're excited. I said hiccup if you're excited. I said hiccup if you're excited to go to the ox roast. You're not excited? How can I be excited for the ox roast? It's gonna be a blast. Come on, what's up? Hurry up! Hurry up!
Okay, so we have so much to talk about, and let's start with the big news. Heidi strikes back. She finally put
Hiccup! Nothing? Whoa! So, whoops! Alright, well, I guess you're not excited to go to the ox roast. Okay, let's clarify this here. I think you misunderstood me. So, let's say that I meant to say stop hiccuping if you're excited to go to the ox roast. So, are you excited to go to the ox roast? Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy. Okay, cool. Do you want funnel cake? The only way you get funnel cake is by going to the ox roast.